Hi everyone, it's great to be back on another episode of the Flavour Sensei. I'm here in beautiful Fort McMurray, Alberta, home of, not joking, some of the best people on the face of the earth, very friendly. Unfortunately, I'm shacked up here in a hotel room with a case of the sniffles. It's not COVID, but it is a bit debilitating. So I'm going to share with you an old-fashioned family recipe sure to cure even the worst of your ills. As you can see, we have wild mackerel, cauliflower, lemon, kiwi loaded with vitamin C, our old-fashioned carrot, some blueberries, some garlic, ginger of course, some chamomile tea, gravel, Advil, oil of oregano, sinus medicine, one-a-day gummies, Hydrosense, Ricola, and some homemade tea. We're going to get all of this into the blender and put it together. All right, let's get our little concoction going here. Have an Advil. And we're good to go. Let's give it a blend and see what happens. The ultimate blend. Everything here that you see. All right, let's let the magic happen. I just know this is going to be great. Ooh, would you look at that. Cheers. Here's to a speedy recovery. I don't know what stands out more. The mackerel, the ricola, the oil of oregano, garlic. Oh. If that doesn't cure me, I don't know what will. I'll follow up in a day, let you know if I've survived. You know, Buckley's has this expression that tastes awful, but it works. Now this, I would say, tastes excellent. Yet to be proven, we shall see.